Okay, we're taking a tour of my 2011 Dodge Grand Caravan, and let's go inside and check it out. Okay, we're gonna do my tour inside since it's too windy outside and I keep getting really bad wind noise. So right now we're showing you the curtains. They stay together by magnets. If it wasn't trapped in the door, it might shut. And then I have on the window, I have this rain guard thing for houses. It's for the gutters. And then you just put it in the window and you roll the window up some and you can have some air coming in. I spray painted it black because they're normally white. Right here I keep my shoes. Here is a rug I just got at the $1.25 store, and they just use it to get in and out of my car, so grab some dirt. The floor is made with those gym things from Home Depot, and plus if I have to kneel on it, it's spongy and it won't kill my knees. This is my Joy Trellis refrigerator. It's not plugged in right now, but normally I plug it into one of my Jackeries. I have two Jackery 240s and one Blue Eddy. I think it's a 700. And I put some skid stuff on it so I can put stuff on here and it won't go flying. Inside is empty right now. And normally on the left side, the stuff freezes for some reason. So I put all my drinks on that side because I don't care if those freeze. This is my cheap, flimsy trash can I got at Walmart. And then these are my blackout curtains. I just got some rods right here, metal rods, and connected them and then with bolts, and then cut off the excess, wrapped it with electrical tape, and you know, they slide back and forth real easy. They're I got those on Amazon, just for small windows. This is where I keep my water, and then I got that at the $1.25 store to keep them from flying around. Also, this is my 60-watt panel of Jackery that if I'm ever in one spot long enough, I can just put out, charge another box. I also have a 100-watt solar panel on top, which I'll show you in a few. This is my toilet. It just unfolds. Put the top on. I have cat litter underneath the seat in case I ever use it. I have never used it yet, and I hope I never have to. I prefer a toilet. Okay, so this is my sink. It's half sink, half table. These are stickers where I've been. This is normally how I keep it shut, right there. I had it with magnets, but the magnets kept opening and it wasn't strong enough, so doors kept popping open. These keep my butane in it. It's just little $1.25 tree stuff, and I just screwed them on. Just give me some more room to store stuff. And this is soap and some cleaner stuff. I keep my propane down there underneath my sink, and I got a knife down there, some plates. I got a little broom, whisk broom, and my water back there connects to the sink, and underneath this just pulls out right here. This just pulls out, and then I can pull the plastic thing out and then dump it, clean it, put it back. That's my overflow from my sink or drain. I also put this little pan underneath to catch any water in case it ever leaks. So I have a whole bunch of water in here. So this is where I sit and I eat or whatever. And I also have a little ottoman right there. This acts as my seat, and I keep my clothes in it so they don't go all over the place. This sink used to be a eye wash station sink, so it came out good, and I just bought this. This is where the water comes out, pulls it out of that clean one, and it works. You just charge it and put it on there. How I kept it in here, it's I don't even know. I just rigged something up. I have a hole through there, and then I put some window insulation sticky stuff, and then this piece right here is from a car. It's a seal. So it's just my own little rig. Usually I keep my napkins in here. This right here is a chair I can unfold and sit outside. I have my soap, some forks to get too handy, and then this just stays on with those little sticky things. This is my map of the United States, of every state I want to go to and which ones I have gone to. I keep this up with those little clips from $1.25 store. And I usually keep these and that one in the window all times, my blackouts, so, because I never see out of them. Alright, this is a shelf that we built at my work. It's just a 2-story. I keep it, I thumbtacked it to the seat belts, and it's kept in pretty good. Also, the bottom underneath, there's a block that goes into one of the cup holders, so it stays pretty steady. Right now I have one Jackery, and it's plugged up to my solar panel up on the roof. I'm getting 27 right now. It's about almost 5 o'clock tonight. I have my fan plugged into it right there. In a few minutes I'm going to turn it on because it's getting hot in here. This is just keeps my cup. I have a couple of cups, and I'll have a light in there, and I have my toiletries. And we put these little things on it so they don't go. And I also put the little non-skid stuff, as you can see. I have it all over the place. And there's the other window one for the other side that I don't usually use. This is my 3-drawer thing from Walmart. I'm sure everybody recognizes. It just has my shop towels, which I love. And it has my stove in there. It's butane and propane, which I've never used yet because I don't cook very much. I have towels in there, toilet paper, some soap to wash my laundry, and this is for my drone, my landing pad. This is my junk drawer. I have some DVD movies. I have a DVD player underneath. I have this thing in case I ever go to the water. I can put my wallet and phone in it and it won't drown. Got chargers in there and some scissors and tape and this stupid thing. It's supposed to go on a water bottle so you can use it as a shower, but it doesn't stay on a water bottle, so you'd have to find something thick enough, which I haven't yet. This is just my dry drawer for food, and I have canned stuff in there and some granola. I have a speaker in there if I want to listen to music, and my dog's treats. Don't tell her. This here right here I just bought at Walmart. It's like a pan for cooking, I guess cookie pan, and then I double taped it and it's on there good. It's gonna be hard to get off. That's the fan I love. I got it at Walmart, and it's got like 3 levels, and I put some sticky so everything stays. This is my napkin holder I got at the $1.25 store. I just cut a hole through the bottom there, and then it goes through, and it hasn't moved yet, so that stays. My Lucy lights. Did I tell you about my Lucy lights? So I have the Lucy lights. I don't know if I told you yet, but that I put these little things on there so I could find it at night. The on and off. Underneath my bed I have my little pot thing, you could put, use it as a wash bin or wash your stuff, and it unfolds. This is my kitchen. I never usually go in here. I have napkins in there and pots, pans, stuff like that, garbage bags. And then the back, I don't know if you can see, I have underneath, way in the back, I have my my toolbox. This is just a junk drawer. It's got like staples and more wire for my water and skid pads and that sticky stuff. I usually don't go in here too much. Okay, so that goes into there. And how do I go to the bathroom? Alright, let's let you look at that while I find my bathroom. Oh, I lost my bathroom. Okay, we'll find it in a minute. Alright, so this is my bed. It's just basically a wood board, and it's got 4 legs. It used to be higher, but I cut some off because I wanted a little more headroom. I have a sheet on it, and then under the sheet I have a plastic sheet in case it gets wet or anything, and I don't ruin it. Anybody want some ice cream? Here's the ice cream truck out there. Alright, and I usually keep a sleeping bag as my my blanket. Then I have this other lighter blanket. Here I have a little cushion. Hopefully Dobby, the dog, goes and sleeps on that because she likes to hog the bed. Extra little pillow. What else do I get? Okay, so my toilet I can't find. It's under there somewhere. Oh, I lost my toilet. Okay, here it is. Alright. So this is my toilet. Usually just put this, open that, put this in there and do my thing, and then close it, dump it. I keep it in here in case it leaks, and I keep it under there. And then I empty it whenever I can. This right here is an extra shelf that comes up, and it extends the bed, so I have more room in the daytime, and it's held on by these little latches right there, and then you can put it down, and that's that. What else we got in here? I think I pretty much covered everything. I'll show you my solar panel in a few minutes. Okay, before we show you the solar panel, this is the back of my van. This is back of my bed. Underneath, this is where I keep my tools. I have to lift the bed up to get it out. It's kind of a pain with one hand right now, so just take my word on it. These are my backpacks. These, I do a lot of hiking, so that's my major one. That's my little backpack for shorter trips. These are my rest of my window shades, deflectives, and then I have black material on one side that I glued on with Gorilla spray panel. So I can get up here. Okay, so this is my solar panel. It's 100 watt. And all we did was we took the panel here, and then we just drilled holes right through it and then double bolted it. This came with the solar panel, the brackets, and so far it's worked out pretty good. It's a little dirty right now. Let's figure out how to clean it. And then I zip tied a couple of the wires so they didn't go flying all over the place. And then I bought the MC4 plug off of Amazon. It was like 10 bucks. Connected it to it and then just ran it down inside here. Just right through here, and then I opened this little thing here, and then it goes to 8mm, and all my boxes are 8mm, so it works out good. This is another sunshade. I don't ever use it. It's for the front window. Oh yeah, so over here out the front I don't really use that much. I just drive. I get like hand sanitizer in there, and then an umbrella, seats, and just this is where I charge my other Jackery. It's a hot cigarette lighter one, so it stays all the time, so it'll kill my battery. Or it doesn't really kill the battery because the refrigerator has a automatic shut off when the battery's getting kind of low, so I always get an E1 error, so the fridge shuts off all the time, so I stopped doing it that way.